What is DAX? DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions, is a formula language used in Microsoft Power BI, SQL Server Analysis Services, SSES, and Power Pivot in Excel. It is designed to work with relational data and perform complex calculations and aggregations on data models. DAX includes functions, operators, and constants that can be used to create formulas and expressions in Power BI, enabling users to create new information from existing data. Here are some key features and concepts of DAX. Calculated columns. DAX can be used to create new columns in a table based on existing data. These columns are calculated row by row. Measures. Measures are calculations used in reporting and visualizations, such as sum, average, minimum, maximum, etc. They are often used in aggregating data. Tables and relationships. DAX can work with entire tables and the relationships between them, enabling complex data models. Filter context. DAX formulas can be affected by the filters applied in a report or visualization. Understanding the filter context is crucial for accurate calculations. Row context. This is the context in which a DAX formula is evaluated for each row of a table. It's essential for creating calculated columns. Time intelligence functions. DAX includes functions specifically designed for working with date and time data, allowing for period-over-period calculations and comparisons. DAX is powerful and flexible, making it a critical tool for data analysts and business intelligence professionals working with Power BI.